his damn toes. See what that shit feels like.
It's a little crowded. It's okay.
Run your damn mouth. Step on his feet. You
No.
stepped on mine.
I apologize.
Now apologize to step on his feet. There ain't no apology.
You too.
Let him feel what the NFL gonna finna feel like. Step on my damn corns again. Show me some trouble. Woo! Now step on his feet. Seriously. Step on my damn toes. My toes. On purpose too. Damn sure. You better not step on his feet. Step on his feet.
Yeah, we got ours in our lap.
Step on his feet. Cause he got damn on top, say step on his damn toe. Step on mine. It is what it is. Woo! Mount up.
This stop is
There you go.
the station. Please
Get it.
That's a cheeky.
Shit.
Well, yeah,
He'll be all right right here.
there's some cheapies up here. I saw one rib.
Hey, step on my damn feet. I'm going to the ambulance. Call the ambulance. Right now.
Stand clear. Doors are closing. Train is about to leave.
Oh, you done hurt my damn foot. What's your name? Teach you a goddamn lesson. I'm not playing with you, man. Take off
Please utilize all 8 doors.
What's your
Please
name?
utilize all the doors.
Step on my motherfucking feet.
Well, don't
But you
mess-
apologize, though.
Can't be getting on a damn train like somebody.
Step on his damn toe. I can't wait to step on
That's my uncle. He'll beat
I
me
don't
up.
step on your uncle's toe.
He ain't gonna be. He'll beat me up.
Shit! I'm gonna beat your ass.
Always have something.
The fuck you think your uncle gonna do to you? You wait the woo! What do you think I'm gonna do, though?
Every time.
Next stop is Woodline Station. The bus connects to Route 21.
Good.
Please check your destination.
Here's what I'm gonna do to him.
This is gonna make YouTube.
He's going to world star.
If it doesn't, it shits.
Step on my toes.
It's a good family atmosphere. It's
Hold on.
Yeah, I don't like we get out with well, all these Panther folks are still on the train, so I think we're okay. We just got to follow the ocean. We're sitting in the. We got to put.
This stop is Woodline Station. Please head to right.
It's the same in there.
We do.
It's fun.
I'm on right by you, bitch. Step on you.
It's very funny.
I showed you.
Next time, don't bring him.
I just went right through here, picked up my bag, came right back here, and never touched it. So didn't know you was there.
Thanks for bringing the best friend.
Hell no. Call my bag again. Call my turn.
It's the last time. What's your attorney's name?
My turn.
Yeah, we're good. You got a good attorney?
No, it's awesome.
I'll be working.